Word for repairing something in a way that changes its function. I'm looking for a word that means to repair something in such a way that it changes its function. Example, the washing machine was broken and I repaired it in such a way that the function of washing machine is no longer washing clothes but, say, now it colors the clothes. What did I do to the washing machine? Is there any word for that? I will clarify my question. Actually, I'm working on a project in which I made one thing out of another. The washing machine example was just an example. I can't share what I did, but I will give some more examples. I had a bicycle and I changed it to a car. I made a big phone out of my laptop, changed from one thing to another, dot. I had a picture scanner but I changed it to a printer.
How about modify or retrofit? From MW. Modify, to make basic or fundamental changes in often to give a new orientation to or to serve a new end. Retrofit, to adapt to a new purpose or need. Your example. The washing machine was broken and I modified it in such a way that the function of washing machine is no longer washing clothes but, say, now it colors the clothes. The washing machine was broken and I retrofitted it in such a way that the function of washing machine is no longer washing clothes but, say, now it colors the clothes.